Okay, so for my multimedia project, I'm going to be doing elements across San Angelo, which is where I show you elements from all across San Angelo to get a deeper meaning of them, like copper to nitrogen, oxygen, and everything in between. So let's get right to it. Also, before we do anything, always make sure that you're wearing your lab goggles. These things protect your eyes from foreign chemicals and substances. For example, hydrochloric acid. See, the hydrochloric acid did not get in my face. Excuse me one moment. Okay, so we're at the San Angelo Visitor Center talking about the first element on the table, hydrogen. Now, this is water, but hydrogen is in water, for example, because it's H2O. And here's a few facts about hydrogen. Hydrogen is a number 1 on the periodic table, and its symbol is an H. Now, this water has 1 hydrogen, or 2 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen, and that makes water. Okay, so right now we're here at HEB, the store, talking about helium, because what's better helium than helium balloons? So helium is the second element on the periodic table. It's represented by number 2, and its symbol is HE. And here's a picture or a video of a balloon being blown up. And that is helium balloon being blown up. Now, helium is one of the lightest gases. I mean, it's much lighter than air, normal air, which means when let go, it flies up. Now, we can't let it go here in the store because then it'd be stuck up there and then someone would have to get it down. But just imagine the balloon being thrown up. See, look, like with this string, the balloon flies up because it is lighter than normal air. Okay, so now we're here at my house because I couldn't find anywhere else that had eggs to talk about zinc. Now, zinc can be found in eggs, 1 in every 100 milligrams. So, what is zinc? Zinc is the number 30 on the atomic chart, and it is represented by a Zn, like I drew in the egg. Now, zinc is in the inside of the egg, so let's see what the inside of an egg looks like. Voila. So I'm here at Lowe's to talk about sodium. Now, sodium is a chemical element with the symbol Na and represented by an atomic number 11. It's a very soft, silvery white, highly reactive metal. The example we see here, however, is table salt version, or sodium chloride, represented by NaCl. So we're here at Lowe's, yet again, to talk about potassium, specifically in bananas. Now, potassium is a chemical element with the symbol K on the periodic table. Now, it's represented by atomic number 19. Now, potassium can be found in bananas, specifically about 422 grams per banana. For calcium, is here in the milk section, dairy section, because of milk. Now, milk, or calcium, it's a reactive silvery metallic element found in group 2 of the periodic table, and it's represented by a Ca on it as well. Now, milk can be found, calcium can be found in milk, such as this, in about 305 milligrams per cup. Like this milk right here. What is iron? Well, iron, it's a metal used and found in many alloys and steel. But what you may not know is that iron can be found in cereals, such as Frosted Flakes. Now, cereal can be found in trace amounts, or iron can be found in trace amounts of cereal, specifically this one, about 1.2 milligrams per cup. Like this Frosted Flakes box has 11.2 milligrams of iron. That is just the coin that's worth 5 cents. Nickel is also a very important metal. Nickel is a chemical element with the symbol Ni and atomic number 28. It's a silvery white, lustrous metal with a slight golden tinge, very slight though. It's also used in stainless steel objects such as a spatula. Okay, now copper is a very useful element in today's modern era because copper is used a lot in wiring, specifically wires and cables, much like this iPhone charger. Now, it's used in most wires and cables, represented by a Cu on the element table. Aluminum. Now, aluminum is as common as you can get with metals. Aluminum is the most abundant metal in the entire Earth's crust. Now, aluminum is represented by an Al product, or by an Al on the periodic table, and can be found coating the cans of these soda. Can't throw these in because they'll bust. For chlorine, we have Clorox bleach. Now, chlorine is my favorite element on the periodic table because its symbol is Cl, and its atomic number is number 17, my favorites. Now, chlorine, the second lightest of halogens, appears between fluorine and bromine in the periodic table. And common household laundry bleach, much like this, is either 5.25 or 6% sodium hypochlorite, which is just a compound including chlorine. About tin, which is found in aluminum cans, in these soup cans. Now, tin is one of the metals on the periodic table, is represented by Sn on it as well. Now, while these may not be made entirely out of tin, there is a coating of tin on the inside of cans to keep the soup fresh and the metal from corroding. Game to take the stuff home. Why are you still recording? Are you still recording? Stop recording for real now. Hey, what you doing? I promise I didn't steal nothing. I didn't steal nothing, I promise.